Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we will learn how to get $150 worth free Apache Airflow 3 certification voucher 2025 by Astronomer. So this is a limited time offer, so go with that. So become a certified Airflow 3 expert. So this is the registration link, we'll go through that and we'll just discuss about that. So Astronomer is providing the September 16, 11 to 3 p.m. ET virtual data ops conference. So how to learn more data ops, building the Apache Airflow, ending with the advanced use case beyond the analytics, kick up an exclusive Airflow 3 certification crash course led by the Mark Lambertry, and followed by the technical session how the this AI and ML and production grade data products. Save your sport. So what is the aspect of the beyond analytics? Build your Airflow 3 skill. Learn the fundamental of the Airflow 3 with a crash course designed to help you prepare for the official certification. Learn from the data engineers, practitioners, share how they push and limit of the what possible, what data orchestrate, and explore what is the new, discover the latest Air 3 features built to support modern analytics, AI and ML at scale. So pre-event workshop 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and beyond, become a certified Airpro 3 expert. Join the Airpro expert Mark Lambertry, creator of the data with the mark for the fast track, and other details are same as the above. And final thing is that plus you will get a discount code of free certification worth of $150 each value. Okay. So bring together the data ecosystem, so agenda, and these things are there. So all the agenda we have, and now finally the register today. Save your sport to learn how to lead the data terms, move beyond analytics to operationalize AI, scale ML, and deliver data products that drive real impact. So this is the register today. First name, last name, work email you need. So work email you need. You are from the some company, then you have to put your company email address just like a name at the rate. TCS.com like that, or Infosys, or your company name, job title, and you select yes, I am registered for the Air Force certification session or do not. You can submit the this button. After submitting this button, you will get a message like this: thanks for your interest, we'll send you an email with the more details soon. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get $150 worth free Apache Airflow 3 certification voucher 2025 by Astronomer. So limited period offer. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.